In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase health insurance online in Australia as a student. Before you buy anything, the first thing you need is your letter of offer from your Australian education provider. This is important because it confirms that you've been offered a place to study. Once you have that, go ahead and accept the offer so you can move forward with your enrollment preparation. After that, the next step is to choose an approved overseas student health cover provider, also known as OSHC. This insurance is mandatory for international students and must cover the full length of your student visa. In many cases, your school may recommend a provider, which can make the process a little easier, but you also have the option to buy directly from an approved Australian OSHC insurer if you prefer to compare options yourself. Once you've chosen your provider, visit their website and look for a button such as Get a Quote or Buy Now. This will take you to the application or quote form where you'll be asked to enter your personal and study details. Make sure the information is accurate, especially the details that must match your official documents. Typically, you'll need to enter your full name exactly as it appears on your passport, your date of birth, passport number, nationality, email address, your Australian education provider, your course start and end dates, and your visa type, which is Student Visa Subclass 500. Next, select your policy period carefully. Your OSHC must cover your entire stay in Australia because this is a visa requirement. It's a good idea to double check your course dates and make sure there are no gaps in coverage. Once that's done, review the quote you receive. At this stage, you may be able to choose the type of plan that suits your situation, such as single, couple, or family, depending on whether anyone is included with your coverage. If everything looks correct, continue to payment. Most providers allow you to pay online using a credit card, debit card, or another available payment method. Before submitting payment, take a moment to review all the details one more time so you can avoid delays later. After payment is completed, the provider will send you a certificate of insurance by email. This document is very important